chief guest of honor, respected principal ma'am, teachers, staff, and my dear students. Today, the air is filled with the fragrance of patriotism, the sky painted in the hues of our tricolor, and our hearts beat in unison with pride of being Indian. On this proud morning, may I request our honorable chief guest of honor, respected principal ma'am, to kindly come forward and unfurl the national flag as we salute its glory.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात
Officer, Indian Coast Guard. She joined the Teacher Award by the President of India. She has dedicated her life. Thank you so much, ma'am. From the uprising of 1857 to the India of today, the story of our freedom is one of courage, sacrifice, and vision. Our fighters gifted us liberty, and now we pass this legacy to the hands of the youth, the dreamers and doers who will shape tomorrow. Today's celebration stands as a reminder that while we salute the heroes of the past, we must also nurture the leaders of tomorrow. And guiding us on this path of honor and inspiration is none other than our principal ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। हमारे आज के डिस्टिंग्विश्ड गेस्ट हैं प्रधान जी एंड रिस्पेक्टेड मैनेजर मैम, माय मेंटोर, हमारे स्कूल की गाइडिंग फोर्स, हमारे स्कूल की हर इनिशिएटिव में शी इज द वन हु ऑलवेज कीप्स ऑन गाइडिंग अस, इंस्पायरिंग अस, मोटिवेटिंग अस, सच एन आइकन, always standing besides me, with me, and in front of me. Thank you so much, ma'am. We all have gathered here to celebrate the 79th Independence Day. अगर ये सारा फ्रीडम आपके पास ना हो, आप अपने मन चाहे स्कूल में ना जा पाए, you are not allowed to play outside, then what? You will feel enslaved. होगा या नहीं? What will be the feeling? Somebody is suppressing me. Today we are celebrating independence only due to the sacrifices given by the freedom fighters. उन्होंने ये नहीं सोचा this is my money. उन्होंने ये नहीं सोचा this is my house. उन्होंने ये नहीं सोचा this is my jewelry. उन्होंने ये भी नहीं सोचा this is my life. And they gave everything for India. So that आज आप यहाँ पर बैठकर Independence Day celebrate करें. Today is the day to celebrate, beta, of sacrifices of each and every freedom fighter. Now, with the celebration comes the responsibility. What is our responsibility? To behave as good citizens. Our responsibility है beta, to become good students, to become disciplined students. ये आपकी सच्ची श्रद्धांजलि होगी towards the freedom fighters. We have to take an oath that we have to be in discipline. And thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Independence, this independence which we are celebrating has come with a price, and still we are paying price for this. So nobody should forget this. This बहुत छोटी सी कहानी है ब्रेवरी की। मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि इंडिपेंडेंस पे जो ब्रेवरी चाहिए होती है हमें, वो कैसी होती है। 1971 द वॉर विद पाकिस्तान, वी हैड 120 सोल्जर्स इन राजस्थान बॉर्डर। उनके सीओ ने उनको बोला कि आप लोग 120 लोग हो और सामने से तो पाकिस्तान का जो टैंक रेजिमेंट है वो आ रहा है। आवर एयरफोर्स कैन नॉट बैकिंग यू बिकॉज वो लोग नाइट फ्लाइंग नहीं कर सकते। आप लोग अकेले हो, जब तक सुबह तक आपको अकेले लड़ाई करना पड़ेगा। इससे अच्छा आप लोग पोस्ट छोड़ दो, खाली कर दो, आप पीछे आ जाओ, हम लोग सुबह देख लेंगे उनको। उनके सीओ सरदार जी ने बोला कि भाई हम नहीं छोड़ सकते, हम लोग इसी मौके का इंतजार कर रहे थे बहुत दिनों से। एंड दे फॉट टिल द लास्ट मैन वाज अलाइव। पता है उनके लास्ट सोल्जर ने क्या बोला था? उसके सीओ ने बोला तेरी छुट्टी ग्रांट है, तू चले जा। पर उसने बोला नहीं, मैं छुट्टी तब जाऊंगा जब मैं चैन की नींद सो पाऊंगा अपनी माँ की गोद में। और चैन की नींद में तब सो पाऊंगा जब ये वॉर खत्म हो जाए। और वो चैन की नींद सोया, अपनी माँ के गोद में ही सोया, पर वो धरती माँ थी।
Thank you, sir, for sharing your wisdom with us. Your words of encouragement will surely stay with us. Inspire us to dream bigger, work harder, and serve better. They have truly set the tone for our today's celebration and reminded us of the values we must uphold as proud citizens of India. And now, with renewed energy and patriotic fervor, let's move ahead to the next segment of our program, where our talented students will showcase their love for the nation through soulful presentation.
Of the British, India was known as the Golden Sparrow. The upcoming performance will portray the happiness and prosperity of our nation during that time.
जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। ये धरती वो जहाँ ऋषि मुनि जपते प्रभु नाम की माला, जहाँ हर बालक एक मोहन है और राधा एक एक बाला, और राधा एक एक बाला। जहाँ सूरज सबसे पहले आकर डाले अपना फेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ आसमान से बातें करते मंदिर और शिवालय, किसी नगर में किसी द्वार पर कोई न ताला डाले, कोई न ताला डाले। और प्रेम की बंसी जहाँ बजाता आए शाम सवेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
Mark the decline of our nation's glory, are well taken, economy broken, freedom lost, and golden days replaced by the years of oppression. Freedom did not come overnight. It was framed, fought for, and achieved by countless heroes who lit the flame of hope in the darkest times. Today, let's honor their spirits. 1857, that was the year when I said enough is enough. The British made us use rifles that hurt our religions. They disrespect our faith or our feelings or our land. I picked up my rifle not against just one officer but against the rule that had taken away our freedom. That day I fired the first bullet, and with it I started a fire for freedom. And I heard that shot in Jhansi. It echoed in my heart. They wanted my kingdom. They thought a woman would surrender. I was not just a queen. I was a mother, and a mother defends her children until her last breath. And I stood at home. I, Tata Tope, the brave soldier, the loyal friend. We did not have cannons like them, that shook empires. Jhansi burned, but her spirit did not. Together we turned and we set back into a battle cry. I am Nana Sahib. I too was betrayed. I was denied my right and my dignity. The British called it policy, but I knew the truth. It was nothing but greed. They took our land, our lives, our lives, piece by piece. So I joined the war, not for revenge, but for restoration. We rose before the nation was ready. We fought before they called it a freedom struggle. We were rebels, but we were revolutionaries. The fire we lit in 1857 did not die.
This was not the end. It was the beginning of a dream that would take 90 more years to bloom. A dream called independence.
Bharat Humko Jaan Se Pyara Hai, a song that binds every Indian heart.
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे प्यारा मुल्क हमारा है, इसकी रक्षा करना है, जीवन कुर्बान है, भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है। We have a good mother India, we can achieve. Fire lit in 1857 did not die. Though many brave hearts fell, their dream lived on in the soil, in the air, in every heartbeat of Bharat. But the chains of slavery still clung tightly. The struggle had just begun, and then new voices rose. I am Mahatma Gandhi. I did not fight with weapons, but with truth, not with anger, but with non-violence. The salt I picked up became a symbol of resistance. My voice was soft, but my message was strong. India must be free for all, with love, not hate. I am Bhagat Singh. Some say I was too young, but age does not decide courage. When injustice becomes a law, revolution becomes duty. I wanted every Indian to wake up, to fight fearlessly, to dream of a nation where no one is in chains. Yes, I catched the rope that took my life, but even the gallows could not silence my voice. I am Chandrasekhar Azad. They call me a rebel, but I was a son of India. I had only one promise, that I would live free and die free. Even when surrounded by the enemies, I did not surrender. I used my last bullet, not in fear, but in pride. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. Action was my path. For me, freedom was not a wish, it was a mission. I built an army, crossed the seas, because India was worth every risk.
From Mangal Pandey's bullet to Gandhiji's sword, from Azad's courage to Bhagat Singh's sacrifice, each hero lit a flame that lit the path to freedom. They came from different walks, but walked the same.
मेरा वतन, हम सब का वतन. ये मेरा वतन, हम सब का वतन. आज क्या है, हम ये न जाने कि हिंदू मुसलमान कौन है. हम ये न जाने कि हिंदू मुसलमान कौन है. इनका पता लगाए कि ये इंसान कौन है. अरे सुनिए सुनिए, यूं मंदिरों मस्जिदों मजारों में न उलझे. यूं मंदिरों मस्जिदों मजारों में न उलझे. जो हर मन को ना देख सके वो इंसान कौन है. Let us hear the voice of today, a student who understands what freedom truly means now. Good morning, everyone. On this proud day, the day our nation awoke to freedom, show, and eyes brimming with hope. We remember our past not just as a chapter in history, but as a story of courage, sacrifice, and unwavering belief. Our freedom fighters, young and old, gave their lives, their comfort, and their dreams so that we could live in a free and independent India. But friends, remember this: freedom is not just a gift, it is a responsibility. It is not just a right to enjoy, it is a duty we must uphold. Yes, friends, it is a duty to study sincerely, because education is the foundation of a strong nation. It is a duty to serve others, because service builds unity and empathy. It is a duty to build a future that is greener, cleaner, smarter, and kinder. Real patriotism isn't confined to a single day. It is shown in our everyday choices. When we refuse to cheat, when we bravely speak up for what's right, when we diligently keep our surroundings clean, when we help someone in need, when we believe in ourselves and in India. Let us honor our freedom, not just with words, but with meaningful action. Let us promise to be responsible, aware, and proud citizens of this great country. Let's not just remember our India's past. Let's repeat glorious future. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Decades later, we ask from ourselves that how do we honor their sacrifice? The answer lies in everything that we choose to do today. Now let's listen to today's youth of India.
I honor my freedom by the lightning flame of knowledge. An educated India is an empowered India, because when we are educated, we are unstoppable. Knowledge is the strongest weapon of a free nation. I honor my freedom by nurturing nature, by planting a hope with every single tree. A clean, green India is not just a dream, it's a responsibility and legacy. I honor my freedom by turning ideas into reality. I code, I create, I innovate, because the future belongs to thinkers, doers, and dreamers like us. Freedom is indeed a precious gift, but safeguarding it, nurturing it is our collective responsibility. Today, as proud citizens of a free nation, let us place our hands on our hearts and take a pledge to be honest in action, united in spirit, and committed to building a brighter India. This is not just a performance, this is a promise.
आज दिल पे हाथ रख के ये कसम ले हम सभी, ना झुकेगा देश अपना, ना झुकेंगे हम कभी। आज दिल पे हाथ रख के ये कसम ले हम सभी, ना झुकेगा देश अपना, ना झुकेंगे हम कभी। जिंदगी का क्या किया जो सर उठा के मर न पाया, हो गया वो खून पानी जो वतन पे ना बहाया। चल लहू से लिख दे खाक पे, ऐ भारत माँ तेरी माटी तेरा देश पहले, दुनिया के सारे सुख पीछे है मेरा देश पहले। है तिरंगा पहले, दुनिया के सारे सुख पीछे है, मेरा देश पहले। आजादी से जिया गंगा में राख बन के बहले, दुनिया के सारे सुख पीछे है, मेरा देश पहले। है तिरंगा शान अपनी, देंगे इस पे जान अपनी। जन गण मन अधिनायक जय है, तेरा संदेश पहले, दुनिया के सारे सुख पीछे है, मेरा देश पहले।
And now, the torch of leadership is passed to the youth, who will carry the nation forward within the very walls of our school.
The future of a nation rests in the hands of its youth. Today, we place our trust in the leaders of tomorrow, our newly appointed head boy, head girl and house prefects. May I request our manager ma'am and principal ma'am to come forward and pin the badges. That we introduce our head boy, Shivansh Mishra, an all-rounder whose curiosity, determination and academic excellence make him a true model for his peers. Alongside him, we are honored to have our head girl Naira Singhal, a passionate learner and embodiment of all-round excellence, whose dedication and leadership qualities inspire everyone around her. Prefectorial Council for this academic year is as follows. Ankrita Maurya, the newly elected prefect of Ganga House, is known for her sincerity and sense of responsibility. Arpita Gupta, prefect of Yamuna House, whose dedication and enthusiasm make her a dependable leader. Anamika Kumari, prefect of Narmada House, is always ready to serve and lead by example. Anamika, prefect of Narmada House. Ananya Mittal, prefect of Saraswati House, is admired for her discipline and academic diligence. Remember, leadership is not about power. It's about influence, responsibility, and service. I request you all to take the oath of responsibility. I,
Shivansh Mishra, as the head boy of the school,
I, Naira Singhal, as the head girl of the school,
pledge to show respect
pledge to show respect
and mutual understanding
and mutual understanding
to every student and staff.
to every student and staff.
I will uphold the name
I will uphold the name.
and it's time to hear from our newly appointed head boy and head girl as they speak about their vision for the year.
To stand before you as the newly elected head boy of our school. This badge is more than just an emblem. It's a promise to serve with integrity, empathy and fairness. I pledge to work tirelessly to represent our school and to be a voice for every student. So let's make this year truly remarkable. A year marked by excellence, unity and growth in both academics and extracurricular pursuits. To our teachers, thank you for your guidance and wisdom. I will strive every day to uphold the values you have instilled in us. Together, we can achieve great things and leave a lasting positive impact. Thank you.
Morning, respected Principal Ma'am,
teachers, and my dear friends, it is a truly privilege to stand before you as the head girl of our school. This badge represents your trust in me, and I promise to honor it with sincerity and hard work. My aim is to lead by example, to listen with empathy, and to work together with each one of you to make our school a place of respect, unity, and excellence. Let us inspire each other, support one another, and take pride in upholding the values that make our school shine. Together, we can make this year remarkable. Thank you.
Dear leaders, you now carry the torch of responsibility. May your integrity, discipline, and dedication inspire every student of our school. It is now my privilege to invite our guest of honor, manager of our school, Mrs. Renu Loraya ma'am, to share her invaluable thoughts with us.
Such an honor for me to be here today on the occasion of Independence Day celebration. You have seen the entire program. कैसे लगा? Marvelous, बहुत अच्छा. ये देखने के बाद आपके मुंह से अपने आप ही निकलेगा, सारे जहां से अच्छा. Rich values, rich heritage और किसी कंट्री में नहीं दिखेगी. जो यूनिटी है, स्ट्रेंथ है हमारी, that you see only in India. अब आपकी क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है? हमारा देश है, हमने सबने यूनिटी के साथ काम करना है, एकजुट अपने देश के लिए लड़ना है. भारत माता की जय. वंदे मातरम.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for guiding us towards our true path. Thank you for your inspiring words and invaluable insights. And now, to conclude our celebrations on a note of pride and unity, we present our finale performance, Jayatu Jayatu Bharata.
जयतु जयतु भारतम, जयतु जयतु भारतम. विश्व प्रेम की ओर चदरिया जगा हुआ भारत है. विश्व प्रेम की ओढ़ चदरिया, विश्व प्रेम की ओढ़ चदरिया सच्चे सुर में गाता है. एक सुरीली आशा लेकर सूरज नए उगाता है. विश्व प्रेम चादर लेके शुद्ध शूरे गानाई. സിന്ധമിവാരിൽ പുതിയ പുവിടിയിൽ ആയിരമാധവൻ തോന്നിടുന്നേ. വിശ്വപ്രേമജിയോടുള്ള ചാദർ കയാസുരായി നീ गाताई. एक सुरीली आशा लईले सूरज नवो उगाड़े छे. जागा हुआ भारत है ये, जागा हुआ भारत है ये, जागा हुआ भारत है ये, जागा हुआ भारत है ये. जयतु भारतम, जयतु भारतम, वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम भारतम. जयतु भारतम. श्वास मेरी प्राण मेरा, तू ही मेरा मन, बस तू ही है प्रेम मेरा. धर्मधात्री कर्मधात्री जन्मधात्रिकै सुर अनेक स्वर अनेक एक है धड़कन
शब्द सारे भाव सारे हैं तुझे अर्पण
सर्व तेरे
कोई तड़कन
भक्तमोर श्रद्धमोर तुमते अर्पण प्रेम का मृदंग रंग एकता का तू
युगों से एक छंद साधना कर तू
ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಣ್ಣ ಸೇರಿ ಮಿಡಿವ ಪ್ರೇಮ ನಾದನಿ ಯುಗ ಯುಗಗಳ ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಶಿಖರ ನಾದನಿ तेरी शान तू महान ज्योति तू किरण
पवन पवन गगन गगन करे तुझे नमन
ಅಭಿಮಾನ ಮಾಡು ನೀ ಕೆಡಾಗಿಳತ್ತು ನೀ
निवार भूमि निंदी मुल्ले कुम्मिरुन्निदा
जागर हमार भारत है जागे उठो भारत सजो आज जागृत हम भारत गाली इंडिया बाजार बितो जय तु भारतम जय तु भारतम वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम भारतम जय तु भारतम जय तु भारतम जय तु भारतम वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम भारतम जय तु भारतम ज्योतिर्गमय अंधकार को जीते मन यही प्रार्थना करता भारत विजयी भव मानव जीवन विश्व प्रेम की ओर चल विश्व प्रेम की ओर चलरिया जय तु भारत जय तु भारत
Beautiful finale that has filled our hearts with pride and love for our nation.
Beautifully summed up, and I must congratulate the entire staff and the students who have put up such a beautiful program. The sweet smile on everyone's face और जिस जोश से आप लोगों ने किया मजा आ गया देख के. So actually clap for everyone. Just clap for yourself, clap for all the performers. And thank you, Sunita, for inviting me. It has been really a privilege for me to come to the school and witness this beautiful program. Thank you.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, और इसी हिंदुस्तान में सबसे अच्छा डीएवी पब्लिक स्कूल गोल मार्केट हमारा प्यारा. तो इसी डीएवी पब्लिक स्कूल गोल मार्केट की ओर से मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ. धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ हमारी अपनी रेनू मैम का, जिन्होंने अपने कीमती समय में से समय निकालकर न केवल हमारे कार्यक्रम की शोभा बढ़ाई, मैम हमारे बच्चों का मार्गदर्शन भी किया. यह अनुकंपा हम पर सदैव बनी रहे, यही चाहते हैं. धन्यवाद करूंगी मैं अपनी प्रधानाचार्य श्रीमती सुनीता अरोड़ा जी का, जिनके सानिध्य में स्कूल विद्यालय प्रगति के पथ पर अग्रसर है, और सभी टीचर्स और बच्चों का जिनके बिना ये कार्यक्रम संभव ही नहीं था. तो सभी का तहे दिल से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत.